guys, we're going to make our play pals for hand clapping games to use in the classroom. You will need a big piece of paper. You can take 2 pieces of loose leaf and tape them together if you want. This is mine. And you'll need a nice dark crayon, pencil, marker, or pen, or something nice and dark to write with. Okay, so I traced my hands, and this is what they came out like. And I even gave mine a name. I named mine Playpal Pete. There you go, now you can see it. So if you want to give your Playpal a name, you can. And then, when it's time to play a game, if we're playing double double this, or something like it, you're going to lay it down on the table in front of you, and you're going to tap this is your hand clapping partner. You're going to clap the hands of your hand clapping partner, and I'll say double double this, double double that, double this, double that, double double this, that. I'll do it on the hands of my play pal.